In this video, I'll show you how to manage GOG notifications step by step, so you can customize the alerts you see and hear exactly the way you want. Whether you want desktop pop-ups, overlay alerts, sound notifications, or a quieter experience overall, this quick guide will help you set everything up in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the GOG app on your computer. Once the app is open, look at the left menu and click the cog icon. That cog icon is where you'll find your app settings. After clicking it, choose Settings. This will open the main settings area where you can control different parts of the GOG experience. Now, on the left side of the settings window, make sure you are in the Notifications tab. This is where all notification preferences are managed. Once you're in the notifications section, you'll see a list of different notification types. GOG gives you control over each one individually, which is helpful if you only want certain alerts to appear. Next to each notification type, you'll see a drop-down box. Click that drop-down and choose how you want that notification to appear. You can usually select desktop and overlay, desktop only or overlay only. Desktop and overlay will show the alert in both places. Desktop only keeps it limited to your desktop notifications, and overlay only will show it inside the overlay experience. After that, look at the next drop-down box for sound settings. This lets you decide whether that notification should have sound or not. If you want more noticeable alerts, keep sound on. If you prefer a quieter setup, turn sound off. Go through each notification type one by one and choose the combination that works best for you. For example, you might want important alerts to have both desktop notifications and sound, while less important ones can be set to overlay only with no sound. Taking a minute to customize these settings can make your GOG experience much cleaner and less distracting. It also helps you stay informed without getting overwhelmed by unnecessary pop-ups or noises. Once you're happy with your choices, you can simply close the settings window and your preferences will be saved. And that's it. You've now learned how to manage GOG notifications the easy way. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tutorials, tips, and quick walkthroughs just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.